Díomh fáiste agus fáilte chuig de ceacht Gaeilge inniu an aine agus inniu an cúgú lá de bhí fiara. Tá sé fósa churbáistí inniu, it's still raining today. Tá siúla go méid aimsir níos fear ag teacht, better weather to come. Anam an scéal inniu cluiche i barc an chrócaig, tá mé chun an scéal seo a léamh, and then tá mé chun dul tríd na ceistena. Now, when you're doing the questions out in your copy, you don't have to write the questions, okay? And the whole idea is that by answering these questions in order, so ban úsáid as na question seo chun cabhrú leat do scéal a scríobh, you're pretending you were in Croke Park, because it's in the past, that you were in Croke Park, that you went with some people, how did you get there, what was the weather like, who was playing, so you can make up your own two teams. Okay, so in my sample, I decided to put me playing Mayo, just to give you an idea. So you're basing the structure on this one. So, mentioning where you're going, what the weather was like, who you went with and how you got there, who scored what, whether you enjoyed the day, and then going home. You mentioned that, okay? So and the question I kind of give you a help you to order your sentences. So by answering them, you can create a story. And then I'd love to hear you reading your story, obviously. But definitely practice that, reading your story at home. Because as far as I know, it's still part of like the whole secondary school oral Irish thing of in your oral Irish test, that you read a shlucht, you read a paragraph, and you practice it so that you you're pronouncing it as best as you can. So it's always good to keep practicing. So cluiche I barc an chrócaig. So chuaigh mé go cluiche imóníochta I barc an chrócaig de Gaeilge se chaite. I went to a hurling match in Croke Park last Sunday, and de Gaeilge se chaite. Now in your story, it could be de Iana, de Cédín, de Saharan. It's come alum, I don't mind. Bhí Niamh in éineacht lum. Niamh was with me. In éineacht lum. That's how you say that. You could name somebody else here for your story. You could just say bhí Gaeilge in éineacht lum. My friends were with me. Bhí Machlaun, my family were with me. Bhí mé ag súil go mór leis an glutha. I was looking forward to the match. Bhí mé ar bís. I was excited. Ar bís. Bhí scetamíní áthais orm. Bhí an aimsir go hálainn ar fad, so the weather was just so good. You can change that in your one. You could say bhí an aimsir go donna, or lá bra bruthlach a bhí ann. You could say lá báisteach a bhí ann, a rainy day, lá gwafer, a windy day. Use the stuff you read about last week with the weather. You can use them and put them in here. Bhí an ghrian ag spalpa anuas, the sun was shining down. You could say there bhí sé ag cloggarnach báistí. It was, clattering rain. Bhí néalta bog a bánas a spare. So there were lovely white clouds in the sky. You can say bhí scamal móra dova sa spare, the total opposite. Rain clouds, black and big. Bhúil mé le mo Gaeilge ag an stáisiún trénach. I met my friend, so bhúil le. So bhúil mé, I met, you could say bhúil mé le Machlaun with my family, bhúil mé le Seamus, Machara, your friend, bhúil mé le, whatever you want, mo Gaeilge ag an stáisiún trénach. Cheannig mé ticket in ophig na dicéad. Chuaigh mé, I bought a ticket. Chuaigh mé go baile clia ar an train. I went to Dublin on the train. Hann an thuras go mór liom. I enjoyed the journey. Bhí park an chrócaig pló de Hiladini. You can obviously use this sentence, but we wrote different ways to say the exact same thing at the back of your copy. So you might piuk frás a difriúil. You might say bhí park an chrócaig dovladini. Bhí slua mór I bark an chrócaig. Remember, if you're saying you have to put the B in front of it. I bark an chrócaig. Bhí atmosphere iontach ann, a really good atmosphere there. Bhí bratach agam. So I had a flag. Dimmer Gailge go hanwa sa chéad la. Galway played really well in the first half. You can obviously bon úsáid as Cunte ella, you can use a different county. Bhí sé siad cúdín chun tosaigh le ama. They were a point ahead at halftime. Dimmer Limnach go han wasa dar la. So Limerick played really well in the second half. Fuair siad cool intach. They scored a great goal. Ag deireadh an cluiche, bhí na Foirne chó score. So at the end of the match, the teams were drawn. Chó score, same score. Van mé antaithne was an gluthe. I really enjoyed the game. Bhí mé tuirseach tréachta an mealach óáile. I was exhausted on the way home. Ní aon bhí mé dermid an lá sin go brach. I will not, so it changes to the I'm sure áisnach, the F for future. I will not forget this day forever. I won't forget it. So, ceiste hain an neachi tú go cluiche imáníochta. Now, neachi is the same verb as cuaig. So, chuaig me or ní yaki me. So, I went, chuaig me, ní yaki me. I didn't. Remember, it's an irregular verb, so that's why it's so strange. If we're though, K a V in éanacht liat. Who was with you? Now, in your answer, you don't keep this word. This is saying who was with you. So in your answer, you're not going to say Niamh was with you. You're going to say Niamh was with me. So bhí Niamh in éanacht, and this will change to Liom, Liom. That's one thing I've noticed in some of the work, is that the question word isn't changed to mean yourself, because the question's obviously asking about you, but then you have to say me. An raibh tú ag sú leis an gluthe. Same here. V, and you're going to change this to may. Yes, I was ag súil. I was looking forward to the match. An raibh tú ar bís. Were you excited? V, may ar bís. An raibh scetamíní áthasirt. Were you like excitedly happy? V, scetamíní áthas. What will art change to? If you're saying, it's on me. Céin size I'm sure a bhí ann. Now, sa scéal seo, it's I'm sure all in. It's I'm sure, greenver. It's sunny. Tá cead agat an I'm sure ahraig I do scéal. You can change it in your story. Chunas a chuaig tú go baile á clia. Again, you can change that in your story. You could say chuaig mé go baile á clia. You could say an train or im char. It's your choice. Iver hocht on cheannig tú ticket in offig na decade. Well, if you've decided to say you went on the train, then yes, you're going to say cheannig. You're not going to say cheannig tú in your story. In your story, you're not going to say you bought a ticket. You're going to say I bought a ticket. Cheannig mé ticket. Hatton on Thursday lat. Did you like the journey? Hatton on Thursday Liom or near Hatton on Thursday Liom. On Rev Park on Croquig Dovladini. Was it crowded? V Park on Croquig Dovladini, or you could say V Park on Croquig Plo the Hiladini, or V Slua Moor I Bark on Croquig. On Rev atmosphere ma own. Was there a good atmosphere? V is the answer to on Rev. On Rev bratach agot. Did you have a flag? You can say Ni Rev bratach agum. No, V bratach agum. In my story, I've decided to say that V bratach glas agus or agum. I've said the colours because I want to show that I'm supporting Meath in the story. K a V ag immert. So you're going to piok na Foirne, the teams. V, and then name two counties. That's Gaeilge. V Gaeilge agus Limnach. It's a scale shot. You can say Mayo on V, Ir V, Baile Hoclia, Iscumulum. I don't mind. But V, and then you name the two teams, blank agus blank ag immert. K a fuair cool. So piuk fur and a wan kun coola all. Pick one team to get a goal. So you're going to say fuair, then name the team cool. And you could say, sa darala in the second half or sa chéadla. It's up to you. Immer net Foirne gama. Did the teams play well? Dimmer, this will change because in the past, dimmer na Foirne gama or near immer na Foirne gama if they didn't play well. Cé a bhuaig an cluiche. Who won the match? Bhuaig, and then pick your side on cluiche. Van tú taitneamh as an gluthe. Did you enjoy it? Van me taitneamh as an gluthe, or near van me taitneamh as an gluthe. And then an raibh tuirse ort ag teacht abhaile. You could say bhí tuirse orm ag teacht abhaile, so this will change to orm. Or you could say ní raibh tuirse orm. I wasn't tired ag teacht abhaile, more bhí me fós, or where is the phrase there? Bhí sketamini áthais fós orm. I still was really excited, or bhí me fós ar bís. So you're just going to write your story, basing it on this, saying that two teams are playing, that you're going, who you're going with. But make sure as you answer these questions, if you're using these questions to help you, that you're changing the answers to may or lum or urum. Where's ert? There, I see urum. Where possible, because it makes more, it won't make sense if you don't. So scríb the scale. I'd like to hear you lay the scale freshen, but definitely read it at home. Anyway, best of luck.